Hi, today we're working on the graphing page. This is the first version. If your graphing page does not look like this one, then you can watch the other video. Graphing. Number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. 2, answer the questions about the graph. So we're going to first count the numbers, put it in the column, then we're going to answer these questions about our graph. The first word is pot. How many pots do we have? We have 1, 2 pots.
2.
Our next word is plant. Plant. Let's see how many plants we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7.
7.
Carrots. How many carrots do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carrots.
5.
Garden. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 gardens.
6.
And our last one is home. How many homes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
So just to review, we have 2 pots, 7 plants, 5 carrots, 6 gardens, and 4 homes. So let's answer our first question. Number 1, which word has the most symbols? Most. Carrot, plant, or home? So if we look at carrot has 5, plant has 7, home has 4. Which one has the most? The word with the most is plant.
Plant.
Because the plant has 7. Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? So the fewest. Is it garden, home, or pot? So let's look at garden, which is 6. Home, which has 4. And pot, which has 2. So which one is the fewest? Pot is the fewest.
Pot.
Pot only has 2. Scroll up a little bit so we can answer the next question. All right. This one says, what is the highest number? So which one is the highest number? Is it 5, 4, or 7? The highest number is 7.
7.
7 is the highest. Let's look at the next one. Number 4 says, what is the lowest number? Is the lowest number 2, 6, or 5? The lowest number, is 2.
2.
2 is the lowest. Let me scroll back up. Oopsies. So look here, 2 is the lowest. There's only 2. Number 5 says, do any words have the same number? Are any of these numbers the same? 2, 7, 5, 6, and 4. Are any of them the same? No.
No.
They're all different numbers.